The Daily Code Snippet. Designing the web for accessibility. For the next episodes, we will be taking a deep dive into accessibility for the web. Although we have been presenting accessibility concepts throughout, we want to focus on this issue because the average website is still not compliant with standards despite the existence of ADA, or Americans with Disability Act laws in the United States and the adoption of accessibility standards globally for the World Wide Web. Why is accessibility important? Because making the web open to all was a foundational tenet when it was established. And we all benefit when design standards are adopted for those who might have accessibility issues. What are some examples of this? When you decide to enlarge the font on a website because you've misplaced your reading glasses. Closed captioning on video when you want to consume content but can't have the audio on, or in a crowded, loud environment where it would be difficult to hear the audio. When your internet connection is poor and you aren't loading images, but the alternative text allows you to know the content of the image anyway. When you would rather listen to a web page or a book app instead of reading it because you want to multitask. When you don't have time to watch a video, but you can scan the transcript for the key points. All of these options exist because they were developed for those with accessibility issues so they can consume the content in an alternative way. So when we design the web to those who need extra help, we benefit everyone. Designers should be leaders in this area because more often than not, our clients are unaware of the importance of accessibility and even the legal ramifications of their non-compliance. Bottom line, designing for accessibility is good design. Presented by Designers Learn Code.